Today we are going to learn about Factory IO. Factory IO is a very good simulator for automation learning purposes. Today we will see how to install Factory IO. How does it work? To install Factory IO, first you need to download the software which will be provided in the link. Download it and then extract it. Password is plc247.com. Now install Factory IO installer latest and run it as administrator. Factory IO works with many famous automation systems like Siemens, Allen Bradley, Mitsubishi. Different drivers are needed to integrate Factory IO with different softwares that we will see later. You can set up different type of factory environment, simpler examples or complex integration machineries to simulate your program and factory machine working. Once Factory IO is finished, click Finish. Select the icon on the desktop, right-click, open file location. After that, go to your original software, copy patch file and paste it in the installation folder. Now run it as administrator. Once the patch is finished, you have successfully installed the Factory IO in your computer.